to the next YouTube video. Today we're going to be doing some maintenance on this thing. But first let's teach you about the clutch. This thing already has the clutch took off. The clutch is covered took off, so yeah. So this would be the clutch plate.
Yeah, just leave that there, okay, man.
And this would be your spring here.
Mm-hmm.
A standard clutch. A manual transmission, of course. So this thing has a centrifugal clutch. A little bit more fancy of a clutch, I think it is. And so yeah. So there's no step 1 of this thing, only step 2, 3, and 4. So step 2, remove clutch control cover. Yeah, that's kind of obvious. Step 3, wipe off centrifugal clutch.
Yeah.
God.
Yeah.
With clean rag. Lubricate. Step 4, lubricate centrifugal clutch. This thing's pretty fancy. It came with the tools. It costs more than that bike, and that bike. What size is it? There's a lot of wrenches in here. What size wrench do I need you? What size wrench do I need? This is gonna take a while. I'm just the viewers while I do this with like some sort of like anime. Viewers, I finally got the bolt off. Oh god, wait. There's one on the bottom. There's gonna be. Okay. Oh good. Ah. Yeah. There we go.
Yeah. 2 hands on it, bud. One to keep it straight, one to twist. So use one hand, yeah, down there to keep it on there. There you go. Yep.
Hold on.
Smart, bud. Yeah, get it on the bolt.
I stuck.
You gotta practice.
If I'm ever gonna, when I'm a teenager, if I'm ever gonna have an even higher quality motorcycle, I'm not gonna be able to take care of it. Oh god. Bolt 2, it's off. Oh, I got mud up in this thing. I have never cleaned this in my life. Alright. Barely anything's even coming off. Actually. Know how you can remember which way to turn? Lefty loosey, righty tighty. That's a little saying. Amount of gas. When you give it to centrifugal force, if you go slow, it kind of like hangs to the inside. But if you go fast, it goes to the outside. See? Too fast.
Blew a clutch.
A certain amount of gas, when you give it not very much gas, that little thing in there,
The shoe?
the shoe behind this black thing will spin, but not the black thing. It'll just make your motor rev higher. And when you rev high enough, it gets wider and wider till it hits this. It spins this, which spins the chain, which gives it power. Watch.
So hold on. So
Look.
the shoe.
Let's see. It's moving the bike as I turn it.
Cool.
The shoe winds out, engages with the drum, turns the drum, bike moves. Also, I got some oil on my thumb. It's the kid. This is an our job, putting in the oil. So yeah, I'm filming.
We cannot have oil inside the drum.
No, only on the outside there. So we want about a 1/2 inch of extra line on our chain, not like glued to this thing, just like a 1/2 inch. Yep, that's good. That's good. Yep, that's good there. Oh, geez on my hands.
That's alright.
Oh god. Alright, let's get to work putting this on. And then put that. Do some more funny animations while I do this for the viewers. But the 11 mil works. It does work. Oh, they do have 10 mil. Nice. There we go. The engine gotta be hot when you do an oil change. So let's get. That was sick.
Kawasaki!
So the motor's hot because we had like a half an hour rest or something, eh, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, it's very hot because I did some full throttle. So we're gonna want to take this off. Where all the second oil is.
That on your lid down there? See that lid down there?
Oh yeah, that stuff is disgusting. Oh, it's green. Oh, that's gross. No. Oh god. It's literally leaking onto my bike.
That motor's warm now.
Yep, and it's leaking on my bike. Oh, there we go. Oh, disgusting.
Time for an oil change.
Yo, this is so gross.
Ooh, put your finger in there.
No. No, I refuse. This is gross. It's gross.
Even smells like gas oil, eh?
I don't smell anything. I don't smell it. This is gross. By the way, wanna know why there's oil all over the skid plate? We just drained all the oil. We're on an empty tank right now. If this thing had gauges, I would show you. But this thing's a beast, and it don't. So you just gotta use the dipstick stick to tell the chain. So yeah, that's that. Get some wheel turning.
Give it there. Right to it.
Oh. We're dumping in the oil. 300 milliliters. Plus, I think it is. So this is the end of the video. We fixed up the bike at first braking. Not brake out, not brake in, like brake out. Like that. So, okay, good night. Nope.
Now broke in.
Okay, I think it's okay.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, like and subscribe. Off.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe.